Alright guys, it's been a while on this space. um Welcome back to my channel. It's Manitech. Alright, in this video I'll show you guys how you can trade with ChatGPT. Our norms AI. ChatGPT will actually help you analyze your trade, you know tell you when to execute a trade. It checks everything and helps you to know what to do. So this is what I did. I This is a Bybit account. Understand? I screenshotted my chart, and I prompted that ChatGPT should help me analyze this chart, and also help me to know when to place the trade, and also know the direction of which I'm going. If I'm taking it up, I'm taking it down. You should understand, long or short. So let's open up ChatGPT. Let me show you exactly what I did. Understand? If you can see, I'm already being on profit on this trade because I followed what ChatGPT actually told me, and I've not cancelled the trade. It's still running. All right, let me go to my ChatGPT. Let me show you. Firstly, you have to screenshot. Understand? You have to screenshot. So that's it. So you now go to your ChatGPT. All right, I now paste the what's it called, this picture I screenshotted from my phone. I now paste it to ChatGPT. Understand? So how to do that is to click on plus sign. Understand? Click on this file sign. Click on, I think, photo library. All right, that's how you can actually do that. Then you can now select the picture you want. Okay, let me just do that again. You can now select. All right, you add it up. So now you can now prompt that ChatGPT should help you analyze this trade, and should also give you a direction of what to do. All right, so look at what I prompted initially. I want to place trade, so which should I use? Understand? This is what it now analyzed the trade for me. Understand? It's now told me chart analysis, 5-minute view, current price. Understand? Recent decline. So let's come to the major one. Now it's recommended me to short term escaping. Since we are looking at 5-minute charts, this is likely a short-term trade based on the chart. All right. So now ChatGPT now gave me a safer entry that I should use a tight stop loss of 18.20. Then I should now short when it's 0.001780. That was when I executed the trade, and I also can that was when I executed the trade. And guess what, guys? It's actually going towards the direction that ChatGPT actually gave me. Understand? Can you imagine, guys? Look at. Imagine I'm using $1,000 to trade. Imagine the profit this could have given me. Look at where I placed the trade, and look at the direction. It's actually going to the direction that ChatGPT actually gave me. So this is a secret I discovered. Understand? You don't really need to start buying an AI that will help you to trade. Just screenshot your chart and paste it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you to do that. And guys, thank you for watching this video. If this video is beneficial to you, you can give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel. I'll be bringing to you guys a video that will help you to make money on the crypto space, and also help you to make money online. So thank you, and make sure you share this video.